Alright, hello everyone, my name is Cadet Fam. I'll be showing you today how to edit your websites. They're pretty simple. So before we start, I'll show you how to log on to each of them. So first you're going to open up your browser. In your URL for your website, say you want to go on to the Irvine website, you would type in UC, let me make this bigger, UC Irvine, UCI ROTC.com. For the Dominguez Hills, it would be CSUDHROTC.com, and then USC would be USCROTC.com. At this point, I forget what the Long Beach login is. It's some variation. It's not CSULBRT.com. That leads you to a different website. So I'll get back to you on that. Alright, so anyways, first we'll go to Irvine's and I'll show you how to edit it from there. What you're going to want to do is, after you type in the URL, you're going to go and put in /wp-admin, and you're going to do this for all the websites. It's universal. Alright, right now every single username and password for all the websites will be admin, and the password will be Chris Pons. It is case sensitive for the password, so make sure you capitalize the C and the P. Okay, so then this will be the page you are directed to. And in order to start editing the page, what you're going to want to do first is you're going to go to the top left corner right here where it says your website, and you're going to go and view site. So right now this is the UC Irvine's homepage. As you can see, this is all the information we have. As of this moment, all of our links work, and our pictures are, our video is updated. We no longer have the old video all of you guys have. In order to edit this page, you are going to go right here where it says edit page. I like to make a new tab when I do this, so you can right click, or you could just make a new tab so you can see it and edit at the same time. And then it'll direct you to the same page, very similar to the one you were at earlier. You go down. This is where you can edit the video if you want. You just click on it right here. And if you want to insert a different video from YouTube, you can copy and paste a new URL into this little area right here, and then afterwards you would hit save. If you want to delete the video, you would just hit this X mark right here. So I'll show you. If you want to do that, you can just hit this X mark. After every change you make, though, you have to go and click this update button over here on the right side of the screen. Now say I want to change what I have written here. All I need to do is click this little area where it lights up. You can click right here where the piece of paper and the pencil symbol is, or you can just click on the actual box itself, and this is where you can start typing away. If you want, what makes it easier is if you type up your documents, or if you type up your paragraphs in a Word document such as Microsoft Word and then copy and paste it onto here, you would hit save, and same thing, you would hit update. You can add pictures as well. Now these columns that are in here, you can insert them right here, all you would do is click and drag, and you would insert it wherever you want. There's different types, and if you want to add pictures and videos, you would go to media elements right here. See image, video. Just make sure that every time after you make a single change to the website, if you want to see it, you would hit update right here. After it updates, you would go back to the actual page and you would refresh it. Now, since I didn't make any updates, you shouldn't see any changes as of now. But I'll give you an example and we can go from there. So, say I wanted to change this little paragraph right here, and I wanted to add a couple words. So UCI, Army, ROTC. I would hit save, and I would hit update. Now, when I update it, you see it says UCI, Army, ROTC right here. But if you go to the actual page, you don't see anything there just yet. It stops at citizens. You would have to refresh the page itself, scroll down, and then you see it right there where it says UCI, Army, ROTC. So right now I'm going to go ahead and delete that since it doesn't belong there. Save and update. Go to the actual page, refresh it, look at it again, and there, it's no longer there. Now this form of editing goes for every single tab on the website. So say I wanted to change the scholarship page and edit the scholarships page, I can go on scholarships and I will click edit page. But remember, you want to create a new tab so you can continue to look at both the editing page and the actual page. So we can go ahead and make a new tab right there. I have a MacBook, so the way it works for me is I would scroll over it to edit page. I would hit command and then I would click on edit page. For Microsoft users, you can always just right click on edit page and then click on open a new tab. So right now we're on the editing page for the scholarships tab of the website. All this information looks good. Again, like I said, you can click on it to edit, type in whatever you need to type, click save, and then click update. But since I didn't make any updates or edits to this page, I'm not going to click update. If you notice on our page right here in yellow, bright yellow, that is a link. This link is the online application link. It actually redirects us to the same link it is right here. If you wanted to edit where this link takes you, all you would have to do is go to the editing page, go to the text box, and right here you can obviously see that the link is highlighted and it is in a different color. All you would have to do if you wanted to edit that was click on it itself, go right here to this paperclip looking symbol where it says insert/edit link. Now right here you see the URL that the link takes you to, and I'm not going to change that, but if you wanted to change that, you could. So like I said, you can always you can type whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to redirect it towards Facebook, and then I would say, so let's say I said click here for Facebook, and I wanted to make the FB a link. I can highlight it. I can say insert/edit link, URL facebook.com, and add the link. Now, like I said earlier, you hit save and update. So right now on the edit page, you should see a link for that if you scroll down right here. And if you go to the actual page itself, you shouldn't see anything yet. So we'll refresh the page. And here it is. Click here for Facebook. So let's see if it worked. Alright, so it directed me to Facebook. Let's go ahead and get rid of that since it doesn't belong on the page anyways. But yeah, so that's how you insert a link. It's very simple. All you do is type whatever you need to type and insert the link into the text. So delete, save, update. Alright, and then we go check again on the website. We refresh it to make sure it's not there. And now it's gone, so we're good. Basically, to edit any of these pages, it's all the same. You go on the page itself and you click edit page. It's very simple. Now, if you want to, right now all the users have the same, all the websites have the same username and password. Easy way to change that, you go to the edit page itself, scroll down to where it says users. You can add a new user. Right now I'll show you all the users right now. These are the 2 users that are on there. You can go ahead and edit it if you want. Take off the one I have that is set for every single website. Change the email, change the password, and all that good stuff. Right here we have the apply button. This takes you to the apply link. So the way to edit this page is very simple. It's the same thing. You go to edit page, scroll down, and where it says contact form, you're going to want to change what you need to change. Right now we have it set as name, email, phone number, and message. So name, in order for them to make it required for the name right here where it has that little star, you have to make sure it says right here where it says form element validation, it says it is not empty. If you notice right here where it says phone number and message, there is no star right there. Those 2 sections of the application are optional. We made it like that on purpose. If I wanted to make them mandatory or required, I would go to that section and edit it. Where it says form element validation, I would change it to is not empty. Right here is where you would put in the email where you want all the applications to go through. Alright, that is about it for the website. Like I said, it's very simple to use, very simple to edit. If you have any questions, you can contact me at my email right here. Or you can also contact Trevor. He is the one that trained me on how to use the website, and his email is right here. So, like I said, you can either contact me. I can answer probably most of your questions. And if not, you can always email Trevor and get a hold of him. One thing he did tell me was to make sure that nobody edited the theme options or the actual WordPress application. So those are just 2 things to keep in mind when you're editing your page. Alright, and that is about it.